Hi guys, this is Shankar. In previous session, I demonstrated about accounts payable configuration. In this session, I will demonstrate about accounts receivable configuration. In the previous session, I demonstrated clearly about the concept of business partner, that is why we need business partner and how it simplifies the business process and how to configure it. Anybody not watched that session, please go through with the link given in the description box so that you can have a perfect idea about the concept of business partner. Quick recap what I demonstrated in the previous session. First, I created vendor groups, then we created business partner groups, then we done master data synchronization. It means we given a connection between business partner groups with the vendor groups. Under that we created business partner. Then we assigned vendor roles to the business partner which we created here. But before creation of business partner, we created tolerance for vendor groups. Then we created reconciliation GL accounts which we need to link with the assignment of vendor roles to the business partner. Then we created different document types in OBA7 and its number ranges in FBN1. So this is the entire flow step by step for accounts payable configuration. This table contains step-by-step configuration process along with the transaction codes. First step is vendor group creation. Vendor groups creation, transaction code is OBD3. Then number ranges for vendor groups, transaction code is XKN1. Then assignment of these number ranges to vendor groups, transaction code is OBAS. Second step is business partner groups creation. Transaction code is BUCF. Define number ranges, transaction code is BUCF. In this step, first we will create business partner groups, then we will create number ranges, then assignment of those number ranges to the business partner groups. In third step, master data synchronization, we will connect business partner groups with the vendor groups. Next, fourth step, define tolerance group, transaction code is OBA3. Fifth step is reconciliation GL accounts creation, transaction code is FS00. Here we created two reconciliation GLs, accounts payable domestic, accounts payable foreign, as we have two vendor groups, vendor domestic, vendor foreign. Sixth step is creation of business partner, transaction code is BP. Then seventh step is assignment of roles to business partner. That is, here in this step we assigned a vendor role to the business partner which we created in sixth step. Then eighth step is document types. Here we created different document types in OBA7, that is KA vendor document, KG vendor credit memo, KR vendor invoice, KZ vendor payment, and its number range in FBN1. Ninth step is document posting, single screen, this is also called enjoy, FB60, double screen, F-43. Next, document clearing, F-53, line item display, FBL1N, balance display, FK10M. This table is very useful to you to remember the entire configuration process step by step along with the transaction codes. Or you can say simply, this is the snapshot of the entire accounts payable configuration business process. Here we have two scenarios. Scenario 1, same number to be generated for vendor and business partner. This we done in accounts payable configuration. Scenario 2, different numbers to be generated for customer and business partner. This now we are going to see in accounts receivable configuration. Configuration steps. Now the scenario is different numbers to be generated for customer and business partner. First step is customer group creation, then create number ranges for groups, then assign these number ranges to customer groups. Second step is business partner groups creation, then create number ranges for business partner groups, then assign these number ranges to business partner groups. Earlier same numbers to be generated, that's why we maintained same intervals. Now not required. No need to maintain same intervals. Number ranges, earlier for vendor we maintained external, now we are maintaining internal. Make sure for business partner always number range must be internal. Now third step is master data synchronization. In this step we will link business partner groups to customer groups. No need to select this option, same intervals to be generated for BP and customer. Fourth step is define tolerance groups. Fifth one, reconciliation GL accounts creation. Here we will create two GL accounts, accounts receivable domestic, accounts receivable foreign. Now sixth step is creation of business partner. Seventh step is assign role to business partner. Creation of customer groups. What is the need of customer groups? Categorization of customers. It means it categorizes the customers. We can create multiple customer groups. Domestic customers, overseas customers, one-time customers, government customers. Second one, we can control different field settings of customer master through the groups. These are the three steps which we need to perform in this customer group creation. First one is customer group creation. Transaction code is OBD2. Create number ranges for groups. Transaction code is XDN1. Then assign number ranges to groups. Transaction code is OBAR. These three steps are exactly same in ECC also. So migration point of view, you no need to configure anything. But the new implementation point of view, we need to configure. These groups are creating at client level. So you can use any existing groups or you can create your own groups. Customer groups creation. Transaction code is OBD2. Here I am going to create two customer groups. One is domestic customer group, another is foreign customer group. TZ04 for domestic customer, TZ05 for foreign customer groups. Transaction code is OBD2, or you can go through navigation path. SPRO, SAP Reference IMG, Financial Accounting, Accounts Receivable and Accounts Payable, Customer Accounts, Master Data, Preparations for creating Customer Master Data, Define account groups with screen layout, Customers. Transaction code is OBD2. Click this radio button. New entry TZ04. Domestic Customer Group. TZ04 Domestic Customer Group. And field status, company code data. Here I am taking account assignment, reconciliation account as required entry. Others you can consider as per your business needs. Then save it. Continue. Data was saved. Create another group TZ05. TZ05 Foreign Customer Group. Company code data. Account management. Reconciliation account. Here also I am taking as a required entry. And save. Data was saved. Two customer groups. Here we created two customer groups. TZ04 Domestic Customer Group. TZ05 Foreign Customer Groups. Now number range. This number range will be created at client level, not at company code level, so that you can use existing number range or you may create your own number range. Transaction code is XDN1, or you can go through navigation path. SPRO, SAP Reference IMG, Financial Accounting, Accounts Receivable and Accounts Payable, Customer Accounts, Master Data, Preparation for creating Customer Master Data, Create number range for customer accounts. Transaction code is XDN1. Click this radio button. Now we are going to create at a client level, not at a company code level. Interval. Either you can use existing one or you can create your own. If you want to create your own, check what are the free intervals available. These are the free intervals available to use. I will use these two. For this I will give TD and this is TF. TD for this. Similarly, create one more and TF for this. TF. Select continue. So these two I created and these must be internal. As per present configuration, these two should be internal. Save it. Now assign number ranges to groups. Here we created two number ranges TD, TF. Now we are going to assign these number ranges to customer groups. For TZ04 TD, for TZ05 TF. Assign number ranges to customer account groups. Transaction code is OBAR. Click this radio button. Go to position. Account group TZ04. Here our two groups are there. TZ04 domestic customer group, TZ05 foreign customer group. We need to assign number range TD and here TF. Enter and save it. Continue. Data was saved. Now creation of business partner groups. This step, first we will define number ranges. Transaction code is BSF. Then we will assign these number ranges to the groups. We will create business partner groups and then we will assign these numbers to the groups. First, define number ranges. Transaction code is BCF. Either you can go through transaction code or you can go through navigation path. SPRO, SAP Reference IMG, Cross Application Components, SAP Business Partner, Basic Settings, Number Ranges and Groupings, Define Number Ranges. Transaction code is BCF. Click this radio button. Again you are going to create at a client level, not at a company code level. So you can use existing number ranges or you can create your own. Intervals. Here I am going to use existing intervals only, 05 and 06. 05 for domestic business partner groups, 06 for business partner foreign customers group. Come back. Now define number ranges and assign number ranges. Click this radio button. New entry TBCD, BP for domestic. TBCD business partner group for domestic customers. Number ranges 05. Similarly, TBCF business partner for foreign customers. TBCD business partner for foreign customers. TBCF business partner group for foreign customers. Number range is 06. Now save it. Continue. Now master data synchronization. Define number 2 assignment for direction for BP. SPRO, SAP Reference IMG, cross-application components, master data synchronization, customer vendor integration, business partner settings, settings for customer integration, field assignment for customer integration, assign keys, define number assignment for direction BP to customer. If it is new implementation, BP to customer. If it is a migration project, second one, customer to BP. So here I am selecting first one, BP to customer. New entry. First give the BP group, TBCD. Now here customer group, TG04. Similarly, second one, TBCF. Here TG05. Now save it. Continue and save. Data was saved. Now fourth step is define tolerance group. Transaction code is OBA3. You can use transaction code OBA3 or you can go through navigation path. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, accounts receivable and accounts payable, business transaction, outgoing payments, manual outgoing payments. Define tolerance group. OBA3. Transaction code is OBA3. This one is same for suppliers as well as customers. See, tolerance group for customer or vendor tolerances. So we already done this configuration at the time of accounts payable configuration. So no need to do again. But I will show if you want to create your own new entry and you can create. Company code TZ10. Details. So this we already configured in accounts payable configuration and now no need to configure again, as this is applicable to both customer and vendor tolerances. Revenue loss. We already maintained this one. Now fifth step is reconciliation GL accounts creation. Transaction code is FS00. Here we are going to create two reconciliation GLs, accounts receivable domestic, accounts receivable foreign. Reconciliation GL accounts. Again the concept is same what we configured in accounts payable. So main ledger, sub ledger. Main ledger is nothing but your reconciliation ledger. Here for example for accounts receivable domestic, this is main ledger. Subledger is domestic customer 1, domestic customer 2, domestic customer 3, domestic customer 4, like n number of customers we have. Similarly, accounts receivable foreign, this is reconciliation GL account or main ledger. For this, the subledger is foreign customer 1, 2, 3, 4 till n number we have. Every subledger will pass through its reconciliation GL account and the final or consolidated balance will appear in the reconciliation account. So at any point of time, we can take the consolidated value rather than individual values in the subledgers. Accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master records, GL accounts, individual processing, FS00 centrally, FSP0, chart of account segment, FSS0, company code segment, FS00 centrally. You can take this one. These are the GLs which we created earlier. Now we need to create accounts receivable domestic or sundry debtors, whatever you name it. Now we can create accounts receivable domestic. So it comes under current asset. Already under current asset we created one GL. Now 8001. Next one, create 8001. GL account type. This is balance sheet. Account group. This is, it comes under current assets. Short text. Accounts receivable domestic. Short text. Long text. Accounts receivable domestic. Control data. Now recon account for account type. This is customer D. Then SAT key, customer number 31, create bank interest, field status group, reconciliation accounts, G067 reconciliation accounts. Save it. Accounts receivable domestic created. Similarly, we need to create accounts receivable foreign. Create. Next number 8002. Create. Again same. This is comes under balance sheet, current asset, short text. This is accounts receivable foreign. This is accounts receivable foreign. Then control data. Recon account for account type. This is customer D. SAT key 31, customer number, create bank interest, field status group, G067 reconciliation account. Save it. So we created two reconciliation GL accounts, accounts receivable domestic, accounts receivable foreign, or you can name it sundry debtors domestic, sundry debtors foreign. Now we can check that same GLs in tables, SC16. Now we will check in SKA1. SKA1. This is my chart of account segment. Give a chart of accounts. My chart of account is T001. And GL account 8001 to 8002. If I check this, yeah, perfectly created. These two GLs perfectly created from chart of account segment type. From chart of account segment side, these two perfectly created 8001, 8002. Accounts receivable domestic, accounts receivable foreign. Now we'll check company code segment SKB1. Company code TZ10, JL accounts 8001 to 8002. Check. So perfectly created. 8001, 8002. Field status G067, recon ID T. So perfectly created from both sides. Now the sixth step is creation of BP. Transaction code is BP. Transaction code BP. BP. You are going to create either person, organization, group, organization. This one TBCD. Business partner group for domestic customers. Company name Pasco Limited. Then language English. Then search term. I will give my company code TZ10. Then street address industrial estate and house number 18 something. Postal code 122015. City Haryana. Country India. Region. This is nothing but states. Based on your country settings it will come. Haryana 07. Similarly you can give the post box or postal code 122015. Similarly language English. Other things you can give as per your requirements. Then save it. PO box 124 something. Save it. So business partner 60028 created. Now we not assigned any roles. Just we created one business partner. Now we have to assign roles. Then only it will work. Now seventh step is assign roles to business partner. Either you can assign customer role or vendor role or credit management role, whatever role. You have to assign roles to the business partner which we created in the earlier step. Transaction code is same BP. Transaction code is BP. Now search term. Search term I given my company code TZ10 start. So these are the business partners I created. Now just now we created this Pasco. For this we need to assign different roles. Take this and then we have to assign roles. Which role we can assign? We can assign multiple roles for the same business partner as per our needs. FLCU 00, customer FI, finance point of view. FLCU 01, customer SD point of view. Similarly, FLVN 00, vendor role, FI point of view. FLVN 01, supplier logistic point of view. Similarly, UKM 000, this role SAP credit management or UDM 000, collection management. Like this you can assign different roles for the business partner which we created in the earlier step. Now we will assign customer FI role. As I have not done SND configuration, I will assign first FI customer. BP role is FLCU 00, FI customer. Now company code details I need to give TZ10, enter. Then recon account, we already created reconciliation accounts. Accounts receivable domestic. Then SAT key 31, customer number and customer payment transaction, terms of payment. As I not fully configured, I will take first one, payable immediately due date 001. Correspondence language EM, enter and save it. Customer 93401002 created. So here business partner number is different, customer number is different. 934 times 0 1002. Customer number was created. Now we have business partner number 60028 and customer number 9340 and 1002. Now we will check this in our tables. First one is BUT 000, BP General Master Data. SC16N. Table is BUT 000. What is business partner number? 60028. 60028. Business partner created. Business partner created 60028 created under Grouping TBCD. It means BP group for customer domestic. This business partner created under this group. Similarly, come back. Now BT020 BP address BT020 business partner again 60028. So this is the business partner address and come back. Next BT100 BP roles. Which role I assign to BP? I need to check. BT100. So asking business partner number again 60028. See FLCU 00. Who assigned BP role FLCU 00 to the business partner 60028. So for business partner 60028, who assigned BP role FLCU 00. Come back. CVI underscore customer underscore link. Whether the BP linked to any customer or not. Now I want to check. CVI underscore customer underscore link. It's asking customer. Which customer? We have customer 93401002. 93401002. It is showing business partner link between customer and business partner. So it shows the assignment between customer and business partner. Similarly, we will create one international customer or foreign customer BP organization. Now here this one TBCF business partner group for foreign customers. Title, company, name, B Motor Works, language, English. Search term, I will give my company code to easily identify, and street, Van Ness Avenue, Van Ness Avenue, something you can give 611. Postal code 94110. So city San Francisco. Region US. Region, yeah, it comes under California. CA. Post box number, something you can give 941100. Postal code 941100. Other address, other things you can give as per your requirements. So I given all the details. So now you can save it. So international customer group business partner 601020 created. This is for business partner group for international customers, foreign customers. Just we created BP business partner. Now we have to create or we have to assign BP roles. Now BP, you can search the term with the search term TZ10 start. Which one? This one. We created this business partner under our company code TZ10. Now we need to assign roles. So now we will assign customer FI role FLCU 00 customer financial accounting. Company code, give a company code TZ10, enter. Give the reconciliation account which we created already, accounts receivable foreign. Sort key 31, customer number, enter. Now give other requirements. What we payment terms, I am giving 001 payable immediately due net. Now save it. So business partner 601020, customer 934 times 0 1150 was created. Here business partner is different, customer number is different. Now 8th step is document types. We have to create different document types for accounts receivable or for customers. DA customer document, DG customer credit memo, DR customer invoice, DZ customer payment. So we need to define different documents in transaction code OBA7 and its a number engine FBN1. You can go through transaction code or you can go through navigation path. Navigation path is SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting global settings, document, document types, define document types. Transaction code is OBA7. Click this radio button. So what are our document types? DA, DZ, DR, DZ. DA. Take position. Give DA. DA, customer document. DZ, DG, customer credit memo. Similarly, DR, customer invoice. DZ, customer payment. So these are different documents types already available. So now we have to give number ranges for these document types. If you click this, you can go from here, number range information, or you can use transaction code FBN1. FBN1. It will take you directly to the screen. And these number ranges we are creating at company code level, not at client level. So give a company code TZ10 intervals. So here we need to create 4 number ranges. So take 4 positions, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take the documents. Number range 12, 14, 18, 19. 12, 14, 18, 19. 12, 14, 18, 19. Here 2024, 2024 and 2024 from number to number. Here 70,000, 90,000, 200,000, 200,000. Next, upper limit 1749, 1749, 1849, 1949 and 2049. 2049. Enter and see. So we created different document types for accounts receivable and its number range. So we completed up to here, up to 8th step document types. Now we have 9th step document posting. So we will post document in 2 transaction codes. Document posting single screen, this is also called Enjoy, FB70. Document posting double screen, F-22. Then 10th step is document clearing. Whatever here posted documents, we need to clear this. That is, the transaction code is F-28 and line item display FBL5N, balance display FD10N. So these things we will see in the upcoming sessions. How to post a document, how to post a customer invoice, and how to clear it. We will see in the upcoming sessions. So right now, these are the configurations we have. Group creation, business partner group creation, master data synchronization, tolerance group creation, reconciliation GL accounts creation, creation of business partner, assigning roles to the business partner, then creation of document types and its number range, and document postings in single screen FB70, double screen F-22, document clearing F-28, line item display FBL5N, balance display FD10N. So this is about account receivable configuration, and these are different steps which we need to follow while configuration. Very soon I am going to upload a FIMM integration. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.